Look, the general situation is that not all panels are the same. When it comes to an LG panel, in terms of our quality control, let's look at the factory. A lot of the other manufacturers buy their cells from third-party manufacturers and then they put it in their panel. In our case, we buy normally the blob of silicon from the wafer period, and then we make all the aspect of the panel within our factories. We have a fully automated factory which has over 500 quality control processes in the factory, so that every panel is literally within a millimeter exactly the same. So the second point is that obviously the strengths of the company that is backing it. We have a shocking record in Australia. Since 2011, we have over 690 companies who install solar, found a lot of times that the product didn't do what it needed to do, and that from that perspective, the warranty was huge and they decided it was too big for them to cope, so they closed the company. So the customer then sits there with no support. From 2014, with 480 manufacturers offering 27,000 solar modules, we've come down to 50 manufacturers offering around 2,000 solar modules. So the point is, there's a lot of manufacturers offering goods for a while and then they disappear. That's not going to be the case with LG, because we are in Australia with $1 billion business selling the washing machines and the fridges, etc., etc. We are here committed. It's $1 billion business, 300 staff, very different to a lot of the other manufacturers. One last thing about the LG size. You take all the key manufacturers in Australia in regards to solar panel, put them all in a pot, the top 12, they earn about $20 billion a year. LG by itself owns around $45 billion a year. So, and that's in US dollars. So we are actually more than 2 times bigger than the other largest 12 players all in one pot. We're the strongest warranty, the strongest backer. We have the most awards for our panels. Our panels perform better in hot weather. They degrade less. They do look better. You pay a bit more, but you get an excellent result.